Gary. No, get the eye patch off. Mummy, wear the eye patch. No, Gary, wear the eye patch.
A farm.
A farm, yeah. What sort of animals have you got in the farm?
What's that? What's that?
A sheep.
A cow. That one's a cow.
Okay, what noise does sheep make?
The fish.
Fix the fence.
Yeah, what noises do sheep make, Hayden?
Me.
No!
That's what that does. That goes moo.
Okay, got
It's a
mixed up.
cow. What's that?
There you go.
Hayden.
Fix.
What is it, Hayden?
Done. Good boy.
What animal's that one?
Ooh.
What's this?
Going in there.
Hayden?
Yes.
What's this?
Cow.
Oh, that is patch, you can see through.
Chicken?
Can you?
What sound does a chicken make?
Go.
Put the chicken into the barn. Put the chicken into the barn.
And the farm.
The chicken.
And the farm.
What's this one?
Oh, what's this one?
Oh, they've lost the sheep.
Oh.
It's a hippo.
It's like a hippo.
No, it's a piggy.
Pig.
What noises do piggies make, Hayden?
Oink, 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 oink.
Oink.
Put the piggy into the barn.
Clever boy.
Clever
Put
boy.
the piggy into the barn.
Piggy in the barn. Oh, he's brought the barn again. Are you into demolition or what? Hey,
What's this one?
Cow.
What's this one?
don't-
What animal's that, Hayden?
This.
What's that
What
one?
animal's a boiler got?
Will do.
Farm.
That's a different
What's that one?
Farm.
Clean up barn.
Fix the barn.
Where's the roof? The roof. The roof. The roof. Where is it? There it is.
This house.
It's a house. A barn.
A block.
There you
A
go.
block. Yeah. Clever.
What's this now?
What's that?
What's that?
What's that?
A ladder.
A what?
A ladder.
Is it
No,
a
it's not
tree?
quite a ladder.
Tree.
Is it a tree?
A tree, yeah.
Tree.
The
That's
entire
a tree.
pizza.
Yeah, he knows.
Apples on
Apple
it.
tree.
Tree.
Well done.
Got it. Apple. Done.
Apple
many
tree. How
apples?
many? Can you count them?
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Well done.
Yes.
Almost.
A farm.
Farm.
A pig.
What's that?
Cow.
Again?
Cow.
Is that a pig?
Cow, yeah.
Doesn't look like a cow. That's a cow.
Mer.
What's that?
Me.
What does this sound like?
Bear. No, I'm goes bear.
Meh.
You miss it on this side.
You've got treasure on the chair. Well, there is more treasure to find, Hayden.
More treasure.
There's more treasure.
I'm going to find it before you because I'm a wicked pirate.
Oh, I don't know. You'll have to open your prezzies and then look at the map again.
What noise does this make?
What noise does that make, Hayden?
Hayden. Hayden. What noise does this make?
What's that, Aiden? Aiden, what's that make? Oi.